Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Tesla Model Y rearview mirror full guide. Start by parking safely, cutting power, and collecting tools like a plastic pry tool and Torx bits. Remove interior trim carefully, disconnect the mirror harness, and inspect connectors for damage. Replace broken clips or mounts, reinstall the assembly, test motors and dimming, and secure trim. Finish by road testing to confirm stability and function. Begin by lowering the mirror to a neutral position and removing the surrounding trim with a plastic pry tool. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and gently slide the mirror assembly off the mount. If clips resist, use a hair dryer for mild heat to soften adhesive. Keep screws and clips organized and labeled, then inspect the mount and wiring harness for any visible damage before moving to repairs. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while waiting on repairs, try the Kindle Paperwhite. Its glare-free screen is perfect for garages and bright sunlight. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more repair guides. Check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals I mention, then grab a coffee and relax. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new or repaired mirror by sliding it onto the mount until it clicks, then reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Power the vehicle and verify motors, auto-dim, and camera functions where applicable. If features fail, check fuses and reinspect connector pins for damage. Tighten mounts evenly by hand or to known torque, reattach trim, and confirm there are no rattles or loose parts during a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.